Are you looking for a tasty and effective way to shed some pounds and improve your gut health? Look no further than smoothies. Smoothies are a convenient and delicious way to pack in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber to support a healthy gut and promote weight loss. So grab your blender and get ready to whip up some delicious and nutritious smoothies that will help you reach your weight loss goals while supporting your gut health. Let's have a look at the best gut-friendly smoothies for faster fat loss. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Apple and Cinnamon Smoothie. The Apple and Cinnamon Smoothie is a delicious and healthy smoothie that can be enjoyed any time of the day. This smoothie is not only tasty, but also provides numerous health benefits. Apples are a rich source of fiber, which helps in keeping your gut healthy and improve digestion. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which help in reducing inflammation in the body. The Apple and Cinnamon Smoothie is a great option for breakfast or a midday snack. It is a low-calorie and nutrient-dense drink that will keep you full for longer periods of time. It is also a great option for those looking to lose weight, as it contains only natural sugars from the fruit and honey. Blueberry and Spinach Smoothie. Blueberry and Spinach Smoothie is a popular and healthy smoothie option that can be a great addition to your weight loss plan. Both blueberries and spinach are low in calories, but high in nutrients, making them an ideal choice for weight loss. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is important for weight loss. They are also high in fiber, which can help you feel full for longer periods of time and reduce your overall calorie intake. Spinach is another nutrient-dense food that is low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. It is also a great source of fiber and can help regulate digestion, which is important for maintaining a healthy weight. Pineapple and Ginger Smoothie. The next smoothie on our list is the Pineapple and Ginger Smoothie. Pineapple is rich in digestive enzymes, which help in breaking down the food in your gut, whereas ginger helps in reducing inflammation and bloating. To make this smoothie, you will need 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 cup of coconut water, and a tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together, and you will have a refreshing smoothie ready. Green Tea and Banana Smoothie. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which help in boosting your metabolism, whereas banana is rich in fiber, which helps in improving your gut health. To make this smoothie, you will need 1 cup of brewed green tea, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a cup of almond milk. Blend all the ingredients together, and you will have a healthy and delicious smoothie ready. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Beetroot and Carrot Smoothie. Another best smoothie on our list is the Beetroot and Carrot Smoothie. Beetroot is rich in fiber and antioxidants, whereas carrot is rich in vitamin A, which helps in improving your gut health. To make this smoothie, you will need 1 small beetroot, 1 carrot, 1 cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together, and you will have a vibrant and healthy smoothie ready. Cayenne Pepper Smoothie. You don't often see smoothies with cayenne pepper, but one of the biggest benefits of eating spicy food, in general, is that it boosts your metabolism, which helps your body burn more calories. So you may want to give this cayenne pepper smoothie a go. Avocado and Banana Smoothie. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, which helps in reducing inflammation and bloating, whereas banana is rich in fiber, which helps in improving your gut health. To make this smoothie, you'll need 1 avocado, 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together, and you will have a creamy and delicious smoothie ready. Mango and Turmeric Smoothie. Another gut-friendly smoothie on our list is the Mango and Turmeric Smoothie. Mango is rich in fiber and antioxidants, whereas turmeric is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in reducing inflammation and improving your gut health. To make this smoothie, you will need 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 cup of coconut milk, and a tablespoon of honey. Blend all the ingredients together, and you will have a tropical and healthy smoothie ready. Dragon Fruit Smoothie Bowl. Although technically a bowl, who's stopping you from pouring it into a glass? This one is too pretty not to include. The colors of the bright dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, make the smoothie more enticing. The addition of kombucha gives you plentiful probiotics and does wonders for your immune system, while the pineapple gives it a sweeter, more tropical taste. It'll be like you're sipping smoothies on a faraway beach resort. Incorporating gut-friendly smoothies into your diet can be a great way to improve gut health and promote weight loss. These smoothies are packed with essential nutrients that can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video.